Hey guys, it's Dr. John with Des Moines Spine and Sport and a Movement Monday piece. Alright, last week I wrote a blog about patellofemoral pain syndrome. We're really trying to focus on some runner's injuries as the spring and summer really rolls around and people are hitting the roads. So I want to go over some of the preventative tips that I mentioned in that blog for preventing runner's knee, alright, or patellofemoral pain syndrome. So what we're going to first do is do a little exercise to help strengthen our quad, primarily the inside of our thigh. And if you're not a lifter or don't do a lot of resistance training, you can just do a simple leg extension like this on a bench. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just extend my thigh with a pointed toe, get a good 2-second squeeze, and back down. I'm going to do 3 sets of 15. I'll do it each side, and I can actually externally rotate my thigh like so. And again, with a pointed toe, get a good leg extension and squeeze, and that's going to help strengthen up the inside of your thigh. Alright, another thing that we want to do is help loosen up the backside of our glute and get that good sliding surface working in our glute medius and our TFL. So I have our trusty foam roller here. So I'm going to hop down on the ground and roll my glute. And to do that, I'm just going to sit on the roller, turn to one side, put pressure on that right glute, cross my leg over, pull my knee up to get that glute on stretch a little bit, and then roll back and forth on that glute medius. And then we're going to do it on the TFL as well. I'll get more onto my side and find that soft spot between your greater trochanter, your femur, and then your ilium. So right in that soft spot of your hip, and roll, spend a couple minutes each spot there. Alright, one more thing I wanted to talk about, and that was, if you are a lifter, if you do squat, make sure you're squatting with your knees tracking right over top of your toes, your first and second toe, or even maybe a little bit outside of there, okay? So get in a good squat position, maybe have your toes pointed maybe 10 degrees outwards. Alright, sit back, let your knees track outwards instead of caving in. Don't let your knees cave in, because that's going to also cause that patella to track in a poor position. So practice these tips. Hopefully we can keep you pain-free this spring. Thanks.